The tool is a 3.3 amp random orbital sander called the Vibra-Free. It weighs 3.3 pounds. The cord is 10 feet long. That's helpful. You also get a dust extraction adapter. This is if you have a shop vac or if your shop is equipped with a dust extraction system. The dust collection system Rockwell calls a cyclonic dust air separator. I know with my old sander, the cloth bag dust would still fill the air. I did not see that happen on this sander. The kit comes with some 60 grit, 120 grit, and 180 grit sandpaper, 5 each. These are easy to install with a hook and a loop system that holds them tightly. You get this great little carrying bag. The tool has variable speed. The claim here is that the 5-inch Vibra-Free not only dampens vibration, but cancels it out. I must say, it did not leave my hand feeling weary. The grip was very comfortable. The tool easy to manage. The Vibra-Free has a 3-year warranty. The warranty card is in the manual.
The corner clamp by Wolfcraft opens up new possibilities when screwing or gluing boards together at 90-degree angles, for example picture frames. Simple one-handed operation leaves the other hand free for work. The corner clamp achieves a strong clamping force and provides a flat surface. It is suitable for boards with a thickness of 10 to 22 millimeters and automatically adjusts to different board thicknesses. When building a shelf, for example, drilling and screwdriving can be carried out in one operation. The corner clamp has non-slip padded jaw grips to hold the material firmly in place without marking.
Expandable, powerful, versatile. The Connect modular clamp system from Crescent redefines expectations of what a clamp can do. 500 pounds of holding power secures your work with almost 60% more force than comparable clamps. That's strong enough to hold heavy objects upright with confidence. But the real power of the Connect clamp is its integrated connection system that lets you join and rotate multiple clamps to achieve almost any position. Odd angles and difficult corners, like those on cabinets and furniture, are securely held in position. Crescent twin locks allow you to easily add additional clamps, expanding your connection options. Simply attach a twin lock on the end of the rail and slide another Connect clamp into place. Connect clamps are equally useful as a spreader. Lift the bar lock, slide and reverse the position of the head. The trigger action now applies force in the opposite direction. Large pads provide maximum surface contact and protect delicate surfaces. Pads can be removed to gain additional clearance when working in tight spaces or around overhanging edges. An integrated pipe grip is molded into each Connect clamp. Round objects are locked down tight, preventing twisting when cutting and/or drilling. Durable rubber grips add comfort and prevent slips. And Connect clamps are built to last with the rugged quality that has made the Crescent brand famous. Connect clamps are available in 6 and 12-inch sets and the twin lock accessory.
From the company that brought you the WTX Clamp Edge Saw Guide, we introduce the Bora Saw Plate. Add the Bora Saw Plate to your WTX Clamp Edge, ensuring you get an even more precise cut with practically no effort. That's because with a Bora Saw Plate, your circular saw cannot drift off course. The Bora Saw Plate is specially designed with an adjustable guide that fits straight edges up to 3.5 inches wide. Now your circular saw will glide smoothly and in a perfectly straight line along the WTX clamp edge rail. Your saw can't wander or twist during cutting, so there's no binding or stalling when a blade goes slightly offline. The Bora Saw Plate works with any right or left-handed circular saw. First, adjust the saw's blade for the depth you want to cut. Then, slip the saw's base plate under the two plate clamps and tighten the screws. Secure the back of the saw plate by tightening the adjustable spring clamp. Slip the Bora Saw Plate onto your WTX clamp edge and align your cut utilizing the saw plate blade indicator, which is aligned directly with the saw's blade. Now you're ready to make perfectly straight cuts every time. With the Bora Saw Plate, you can rip material up to 50 inches long, or even longer when you add the optional extension kit. When you get straight cuts, your assembled work fits properly and looks better. So if you want to make precise cuts, get the Bora Saw Plate from Bora Tools.